I'm Wendy Price with Flyover Outreach Ministries. Why don't you come take a look? I'd love to show you a tour inside. And I'm standing inside the Aplex. So this is one of the buildings that are being constructed at 504 East Main Street as our new construction. So I'm actually in the bedroom of the one bedroom unit. And if I take a step through here, I'm in the two bedroom unit and in one of the bedrooms over here as well. So things are really coming along. We've got 8 units in this building, and if you look across the way there, you'll see we're under construction for 7 more units, along with the laundry room that will be serving both of these buildings. So we're really excited about the progress we've been making. Eastbrook Homes has been a great partner for this whole project, and we're just really excited to be giving you guys an update.